Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by launching Monkey on your PC and confirming you're signed in. This lets settings sync with your account. Once done, plug in or wake the external camera and verify it works in the Windows Camera app so you eliminate hardware issues early. Next, open Monkey's settings panel and locate permissions or privacy. Make sure camera and mic access are enabled. Doing these first steps prevents permission conflicts and speeds up switching cameras inside the app. Now head into Monkey's settings call or video settings where the camera selection lives. You'll see a drop-down labeled camera or video source. Choose your preferred device from the list. Make sure to watch the live preview so you can confirm orientation, focus, and exposure are correct. If the correct camera isn't listed, close Monkey, replug the camera, or restart the app. Once the device appears, reselect it and check preview again to ensure the feed is active. Finish by saving settings and initiating a test call or using Monkey's preview to confirm audio-video sync and stable feed. If you still see a blank screen or wrong camera, update the camera driver via Device Manager and reboot your PC. That often resolves device recognition problems. As a last resort, toggle camera permissions in Windows privacy settings or reinstall Monkey to clear corrupted settings. If it still fails, swap USB ports or try another camera to isolate hardware versus software causes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.